Bitcoin only cause I got that mad cheddar. Bitches and Bitcoin go so good together. Make it rain with Bitcoin cause I like it way better.
Hi, good evening once again. This is Shaik Mama and welcome to Crypto Mama's channel. Today is Sunday once again and I'm back on your screen to break down the chart for you on what you should expect for this trading week. And we are using GBPUSD for this analysis. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss on future videos when I upload them. So for this week, this is what we actually expect for this week. The basic thing we expect for this week is market to trade to this level. That is the area of long mitigations. That's the area we expect the market to trade to. But we also have our order block here, which caused this displacement all to the upside, and it's the same order block here that caused the break of this structure. But before we deep dive into it, let me go to the daily and explain to you why we expect the market to mitigate this level. So when we come to a daily time frame, I told you about this pattern, this M pattern. And it's an overextended M pattern. I've made a video and explain how this pattern works. If you have not watched the video, check the description of this video below. You'll see the link to it so that you can watch it and you understand how this pattern actually works. So the market created this overextended M pattern, and I told you anytime you see this kind of pattern from me, expect it to mitigate at the neckline. And if we are in a bearish market, we expect it to stall here before making a low. So this is the reason why we expect the market to at least trade to this level for the week before any other thing happen. So for the week, for this we expect the market to what? Be bullish. For at least maybe 3 days or more, we expect the market to be bullish. So let's come back to our hourly chart. So when we come back to our hourly chart, you see that I told you this order block is what caused all this displacement to the upside. So, and it's also did what? Created a break of structure. So it's a very key order block for us to look out for. And this area here is also another area zone for us to look out for because it also created a break of another structure, and which is here, which is this one here. You see it is this area here that also caused the break of that structure, but I'm going to remove that lines. I don't want to have plenty lines on the chart. So for this week, these are the two things we expect the market to do. We expect the market to trade to this area here before going to mitigate our high we marked out in the daily, or we expect the market to trade all the way to this level before going straight to mitigate the level we marked in the daily. So in all these two areas here, these two areas, this one and this one, these are the areas of interest to us. So in the market coming down to this area, we'll go to our lower time frame, that is our 5 minutes time frame, and we're looking for the market to shift environment. So we'll come back to our 5 minutes time frame. Let me remove this. So as the market is coming here, you see that it will be a bearish market. So we'll be expecting the market, will be waiting for the market to hit this level, and we're waiting for the market to shift environment from a bearish market actually to be coming back here to a bullish market before we can take our trade, and expecting it to do what? To break this high to our area. But there's another problem again here. There's what? A gap here. So if this gap has not been closed or broken above, we cannot expect the market to go like that. So there's another thing that can happen here with regards to this kind of structure that has formed here, and I'll explain it in our hourly time frame. Let's go back to the hourly. You see this gap that has formed. If it has not been closed, if the market do something like this, if the market show do something like this before closing in the gap, then we should expect that the market will come back and close in the gap and melt down. And probably it will melt down to our area we marked here, that is our order block here, before trying to move all the way to the high that we marked in our daily. So in all, we'll be looking out for these key two areas here to take our trade to this level. So that's all, and that is what you should be expecting the market to do for this week. So you can keep an eye on the market and be monitoring the market as things unfold. Then look for possible entries in these two key areas of interest to us. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video.